Have you ever wondered why some people buy land for, like, let's say 5 million, 7 million, and in a couple of years it is worth over 15 million? It is not luck. There is something they know about that you should find out today. So in this video today, I'm going to show you 4 things you need to look out for before putting your money anywhere when it comes to real estate investment. Number 1 is location. You don't just buy land or invest in any location. You look out for a location that is strategic. And what makes a location strategic? It is the proximity and expansion. Now, is this location close to markets? Is this location close to major infrastructures? Is this location close to road? Is there expansion? Is there growth heading towards this direction? Do people live close, let's say like 25 minutes, 30 minutes drive to that particular land you're ready to buy? Ensure that any location you're investing in, especially right in the city of Abuja, where cities grow outward. And when I say cities grow outward, what do I mean? Now, when a place is fully developed, has gone through the full circle of development, where you have markets, infrastructure, schools, good roads, easy accessibility to this location, electricity, water supply in that place, mostly that place has gone through full development. Now, this infrastructure development now expands to the neighboring areas, and the neighboring areas begin to go through development stages as well. So this location or this area you want to buy this land, is it close to a developing location? That is one thing to look out for. Number 2 is infrastructure. Now, when I talk about infrastructure, I'm simply referring to electricity, road network, like good access road, water supply, drainages, So would you buy land in a place that does not have any of these things? Now, even if there is no electricity, one key major infrastructure you should look out for is road infrastructure. Is there road infrastructure, accessibility leading to that place? Can you drive to that place? Can you, access that land that you're buying? If yes, then it is a good sign to proceed with that investment. Now, when the government begins to pay attention to a location, when the government begins to construct a road that opens up a place, it is an opportunity for you to key into that location before the infrastructure in that location comes to full term. Number 3 is demand. This is where a lot of people miss it. So ask yourself, this land that I want to buy, where this land is, are people willing to live there? Now, when I ask, are people willing to live there, this is what I'm referring to. Do we have schools close by to that location? Are there markets close by to that location? Are there hospitals? Because these are things that bring people to that location. And an increase in demand leads to an increase in prices. So when demand comes, prices do not stay the same. The number 4 thing is timing. Now, when you have all of these in place, you need to take advantage of the right time. Now, so many people prefer to buy land when it is already popular, when people already know the location, when people are already talking about it. But the truth is, by the time a lot of people begin to talk about that place, it simply means that you are late and you're buying at a higher price. So timing is when you buy at the right time. You buy when you see the first signs that I mentioned, 1, 2, and 3. You don't buy when a lot of people are already moving there or have already known about that place. Now, this is where you make the biggest returns when it comes to real estate. Buying early before the population knows. Buying early at the right time before that place, that location, or that land becomes very popular. So land appreciation is not magic. When you understand these things, it becomes very, very predictable. So if you're looking to invest in the city of Abuja, or you're looking to invest in real estate right here in Nigeria, these are the 4 signs to look out for when investing. It will help you make the right investment decisions and choose the right properties in the right location to invest in that would give you high or good returns on your investment. Now, if you're looking for one of such property, we have one right here in the city of Abuja called Crystal Estate, located in Apowasa. Apowasa is one of those areas that I term emerging locations that is still coming up. It has, road infrastructure. Now, this is where the government is currently constructing the Apo-Karushi Expressway Road, and it is just about 5 minutes drive to the Apo Junction, which is by the 10-lane road that starts from Asokoro down to Apowasa. This area is close to Apo Mechanic, Apo Resettlement, Apo Main, Lokogoma, Guzape, Asokoro, and Wuye. By the way, it is a tarred road all the way from Asokoro down to where this estate is located, Apowasa. Now, a plot here is currently selling for 7 million naira, a plot of 150 square meters. So now, if you're looking to buy a property right here in the city of Abuja with FCDA ROV title that is easily accessible and very affordable, then call or WhatsApp the number you're seeing right now on screen, or you can as well send us a DM and would help you secure the best plots available. We're waiting for your call. See you soon.